Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, so I wanted to, I don't normally work on Mondays, but yesterday I had a few loose ends to tie, so I did get some work done yesterday, and I wanted to come on here live and kind of show how I am working my business. So, late last night, one of our leaders, Brittany, everybody knows Brittany, but she does like email text, kind of like newsletters, but she does it like weekly. And I am not a big email person, so like I love what she does, but I'm like, I know that the email thing is not for me. So like I don't check my email, so it'd be like weird if I was sending emails, but I do project broadcast. So I was like, I wonder how I can implement how she's doing this in a way that works for me. Because y'all know that we say it all the time. What works for someone is not always going to work for the other person. The way that you find like success in business is you try different things, right? So like follow-up. I have tried so many different follow-up systems. They don't all work, right? Like there are seasons of my business where I'm like, that wasn't working. There are seasons of my business where I was like, that worked really well, but only for a short amount of time. So this is something that I'm going to give a try. And before I already did it, but before I get deep into it, I wanted to explain it to you. So basically the way that I follow up in my business is I hope that I'm in the right group. Does anybody want to say good morning to me? I'm like, usually people are on and talking already. I use Project Broadcast for my follow-up system. I used to use the $18 a month one, and I realized that I'm not like, I want to touch base 500 times type of person. I don't want to ever come off like annoying or spammy, or I get really in my head about that because I'm not a super like extroverted person. So I know that I wouldn't want people reaching out to me all the time. Once a month, don't care about, but you know what I'm saying? Good morning, Veronica. I hope that your baby's with you. I can't wait to meet him. But so I use Project Broadcast. Like I said, I used to use the $18 version. I now use the $6 version. Okay, so basically the $18 version, you got 500 credits per month at like 3 cents a credit or something. I'm not sure. And then with the $6 version a month, they're the same amount per credit. That was the biggest thing, but you just pay per scheduled message. So if I go over 500, then the 18 is better worth my money. But if I'm under the 1800, which I was, or if I'm under the 500, which I was for multiple months in a row, which made me go down, the $6 one is better for me. So basically I'm just paying for my phone number. Okay, I have been doing Project Broadcast since late November. So it's been, we'll count December, January, February, March, April, May, June, 7 months. And I definitely see it to be income producing. So Brittany is the same way. We like to do something for 6 months. Like if we start something, we want to do it for 6 months to see what the turnout is on, like how it works in our business, what doesn't work, what changed, all of those things. I feel like you can't like really gather data until the 6 month mark. So, what I did is Brittany showed me her, like newsletter, and I was thinking, oh, that's so cute. So I was like, I'm doing some research in Project Broadcast, and there's a thing called landing pages. I'm gonna go post the link in this video right now in the comment section from my computer. So I did my first landing page last night, and I did it over Disney, okay? Oh wow, there's all comments, and I can't see them. That's why. I can see them on my computer, but I can't see them on my phone. So if you go to this link, this is the landing page. Okay, if you want to be on my Disney update list, just let me know. I did put Danielle and Cherie. I think that's the only people on my actual team that I put on there because I know that y'all are Disney people. And I wanted you to see how it worked. If you want to see how it works, I can put you on there. And I attached that landing page with a automated text message that just said, let me go see, scheduled messages. It just said, hey, first name, I wanted to keep you in the know for all things Disney. And I thought that, and this was yesterday, so I was like, I thought what better day than 626 with our biggest Stitch launch to date. If you don't want future Disney updates, that's totally cool. Just let me know and I'll make sure that you are taken off my list. No hard feelings. If you're like me and you're a kid at heart, click the link to see what is new and what is leaving on June 30th. Okay, so that is the message. And then what they are taken to is this landing page. And at the top, you'll see there's 4 clickable links. So that I made a Stitch link. Boys, I'm on a call. And always get my bar link. Anything that I send out is going to be talking about club. Somewhere on it will have mention of club because club is residual income. Club are orders that process while I sleep that I don't have to work for. That is how you make money. Okay? If you're in the early stages of your business and you're thinking like, oh, I ran out of customers. Oh, this, that, we all go through that. I've been in business 6 years. February will 7 years. There are months where I'm like, what the hell am I doing? There have been months where, I actually, I'm a hard worker. So I actually went and did my sale. I went and wrote down what my personal sales were every single month since February of 2017. And back in the day, active, you needed 150 every 3 months instead of 200 every year. But I'm not a minimum person. Like, I'm in the business to make money. Excuse me. I mean, I'm in the business for a lot of different reasons, but the money is what keeps me in the business when my motivation is lacking or my social skills are lacking. And there's literally only ever been 1 month, it was at the very beginning of my business, that I had under $300 in sales. And there's only ever been 2 months that I had under $500 in sales. So it just goes to show, like, I have done all of the life events during these things, dealt with loss, birthed babies, wedding, all of the things, right? So it can be done. When you're feeling like you need to quit, or you're feeling like this doesn't work for you, you need to take a rest. You don't need to quit. You just need to rest. You need to regroup. Text your sponsor, text me, and we'll figure out what's going on. That's not what this is about. So basically that text will have a link on it and it will take them to this landing page, and I can see who looks at what. I can see exactly what they look at. I can see exactly what they click on. I can see how long I think they look at it. And basically, let me flip here. So this is it. And these are my 4 links that I offered. And I didn't want to overwhelm them with products. So I just chose what was going on. Uh-oh, this one is, let's see if this, oh, there it is. Yeah, I'm like, this one's old. And then I talked about what's coming July 1st. So this is coming July 1st. And I only sent these to my people who are obsessed with Disney. And basically this one will take them to a Google form pre-order. So, like I said, I've never done this before. So we'll see. This was a lot of work. Kudos to Brittany, because I was like hot dang, that was like, it took me a good hour and a half to make this, and I'm sure it'll get easier each time, but woof, it was rough. Okay, so that one takes me to the stitch page. Okay, this one will take me to the whiff box, and then this one will take me to club. And what I should do is in my landing page, I should somewhere around here talk about club. That's what I meant to do, but I must have gotten distracted. But so it was a labor of love only because I've never done it before, and I don't like Canva. I can make that on Canva in 10 minutes. I'm very like well versed in Canva. This is something I've never done before, so it took me an hour and a half. Okay. It's also like not perfect because I've never done it before, but even if no one clicks on it, it was, excuse me, it was a good experience. I will continue to do it. I already pay for Project Broadcast. It's a great way to bring color into my business and like life instead of just a simple text message. And how I decided who to send that to, I sent it to 14 people. If you get it, I sent 17 people. 2 of them this morning I sent to Danielle and Charisse. So if y'all see this, I sent you one. I don't expect you to buy from me. I just wanted to see, I know you're a Disney lover, and I wanted you to see how I assume that my Disney lovers have a bunch of Disney lover friends. And I want to show you how I work my business towards, I mean, like, my business has completely transformed since we partnered with Disney. If Disney isn't your thing, I don't really care. That's great. But you have a friend who's Disney obsessed. I promise you. So, take your hard feelings and the politics out of your business so that you can feed your kids. That's how I run my business. So I'm like, to each their own. But basically what I do is I go on Workstation, I go to reports, sales reports. Let me show you. Okay, it's contacts. Okay, reporting, sales reports. Then you're going to go to product history. Naturally, we had a set of cousins stay with us Thursday through Monday, and now I have a cough. Are we shocked? Are we shocked? 5 kids. There was no way I was gonna get away. Okay. So then you're gonna go to product history. It says see who ordered a specific product. You're gonna click view. And then in the first drop down, you're gonna write Disney. Okay, and then you're gonna click the first circle or the first little checkbox so everything gets clicked.
Hey.
Hey.
What are you doing?
I'm talking to my friends. Would you like to say hi?
Hi.
You gotta, it's in here.
Hi. I can tell them.
Well, they can't hear. They can hear you, but you can't hear them.
Hi.
They said, hey.
Hey.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Are you gonna go to the gym today?
No.
Yes, we are. Okay, go.
Mommy.
What, baby?
If I yes, now I'm going to how I go to the toilet.
Oh, okay. And then
I see it.
I don't know where it is. Shh, 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 shh. Then you're gonna click search and export. There will not be a ton of data. I don't know if it's my computer. I think it's, make sure, like mine starts at 2016, but it,
How?
I'm so sorry, guys.
Is it a lot of candy?
No, stop.
You want it?
I'm almost done, okay? And then you're gonna export that to Excel, and it will look like this. Okay? And then basically, like, a lot of these people are repeats because they love Disney, so they order a ton of Disney, so everything, you know. So I just go in and I, like, tick who I add to that scheduled message. And that's how I find the audience to send, because I don't want to send everybody everything. I want to send people very specific, like, I saw this and I thought of you. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's how, like, that's how you're sharing what you love, and you're not just salesy. Okay, like, I thought of this, I saw this and I thought of you isn't salesy. That's like an emotional connection or relationship. Okay, and that's the goal. So do y'all have, let me go back to the video. Do y'all have any questions? Okay, I need to do more training. Project Broadcast is a third language to me as well. I have been doing this since November, and I'm still like only 5% knowledgeable. So Jules, I know you're not on here yet. I know you will be. Let me know if you want me to send that to you as well. Jules also uses Project Broadcast. I think she's actually the reason why I started using Project Broadcast. Jules is a rock star, guys. Anything Jules posts, y'all should try. No, for real. She's amazing. So hold on, baby. But yeah, Project Broadcast is like super easy, super user friendly. Once you get used to it, I'm sure there's things that I don't know and that I can learn, and I'm excited to. But also what's really cool about Project Broadcast is they do trainings and stuff. So if you do like the $6 a month one, that's the lowest tier, just to pay for your phone number. Basically, also when I started, I sent out a text to my entire customer base and was like, hey, my business has grown so much. I'm implementing a business number. This is where you can reach me if it's about Scentsy. Okay, so that people knew it was me. And no one has thought second about it. Okay. Where was I going with that? Oh, there's trainings. So if you inside the, like, it's an app and it's a web-based. So you have to, like, the landing page had to be made on my computer, but I can see it on my phone. But they have trainings that you can go through, and every time you complete a training, you earn credits that you don't have to pay for. So like if I complete a training, I can earn credits that I use to schedule my messages, and then I don't end up paying that 3 cents. Does that make sense? So I love it. It's been really easy. It's an awesome way for me to do follow-up. Everything is, it's a learning curve though. So don't get overwhelmed. If you have questions, just reach out. This is just a new way that I am kind of playing with and trying to see if it works. You know, people got to see something 7 or so times to be like, okay, yeah, so this is just another point of contact, right? Yeah, so I love you guys. I hope you have an amazing Tuesday. Get some work done. Go move your body. Drink your water. Walk outside if you're not going to melt. Do all the things that make you feel good. So have a great day.